Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Thursday, the 4th of September, and as you can see I finally passed the combine after 4 weeks of trading. So I just got rebuilt this Tuesday, I believe, but yeah, I finally passed it after a lot of hard work, and I'll walk you through the trades I took and why I took them. So I took 2 trades today. Coming into open then, my draw, I was still bullish in the higher time frames. I at least wanted to see us come into this 4-hour bearish, but most likely I think we're gonna go up here since we have swept out so much liquidity to the downside. So coming into open, I had seen that we had ranged a bit right here, and then at open we come up and first we make a move down, we make this bullish SMT, we sweep this the high of the day, which kind of sucked for me to be bullish because I didn't catch this move. You could catch this in the 30 second, but I wasn't too confident. I want to see London or Asia low swept first. So I waited, and here there was a possible short as well. Once we inverse this, you could enter, but again, it's just a straight V shape, and I don't like to enter off of just one inverse. We didn't have a lower time from SMT and nothing like that. So I didn't take this short as well. So then market just consolidates, waiting for news at 10 a.m. Which here, when news comes out, we make a move down, which I was happy about because I want to see us come down to then be able to go up. So we come down, we sweep Asia low, make an SMT, we rebalance the total. We rebalance from this low to this high, the range. So I take this first long because we make a SMT with this low with ES. We get a 30-second inversion and a 30-second assist right there. So that's when I enter with my low at with my stop loss at that low, and I actually went B very quick here. First, when came into this 3 minute with momentum, and there wasn't really any reason for us to go down right here. We had no fair value gap or nothing to catch us except this 30 second. So I went break even, but when we came down, I thought that it was too fast to go break even, so I decided to move my stop loss down here again, which ended up getting hit. I'll put on executions. It ended up getting hit, and I was down $350 on the day. And I was very tilt since I was one trade away from getting funded. And I also realized that this was very likely a final sweep to then go up. So it was a turtle soup right here, and that I just got manipulated out, and we were gonna go high because we had all this low resistance liquidity built up right here, and I was very certain we were gonna go up to take it. So I saw this move down as a fake out, and it also fits the profile of a fake out since it's fast and manipulative. So I decided to take another trade here, which I knew that if this trade hit SL, I was kinda cooked for the day. But I was very confident in the trade. We got this 1 minute inversion. I actually entered before that though. I just waited for the 30 second because I also want to get a good entry here. But we get a 30 second close above this range here. 30 second inversion here, and we also have a 2 minute inversion which happened later as well. So I just entered off of 30 second confirmation because I wanted to get a good entry. So we get very fast momentum up. Once we come to this high, I go break even, and I'll show you the recording here. I crashed out really hard because so here's the first trade. As you can see here, I went break even, but I moved it down again. What? Okay, so I didn't lose 350, I lost 250 actually. So here I take the re-entry. I took 5 contracts first, and then I entered 3 more contracts because I realized 5 was too little to get past the funded. And I have my stop loss at this low, $486. So if this would have hit stop loss, I would have been like, how much? $700, $730 on down on the day. So it would have been really bad. But I was so confident in this trade, and I've seen this happen before where we got swept out. So we never actually tap into this 1 minute as well. This became a breaker block, which made me more confident to go break even early here, because I saw this as a breaker block and we shouldn't go below it. So we come up to this high, we make the SMT with ES here, or firstly here we make the SMT, but I didn't really think of that. But I go break even here, and we just pump, and here I was so happy. I was certain I was gonna go take profit, and unfortunately here it was 2 points away from take profit, and then it just went down, and I was so frustrated, and I hit my lamp and cut my hand. But I was still had hope in the trade, since we had all these rally gaps, and I didn't see any reason for us to not take that liquidity. So we react in this 1 minute rally gap. I put my stop loss here, and since I believe we shouldn't want to go down below this, and then we make a move up and take profit. So this trade got me funded, and I'm happy about the executions today. Like, this first trade wasn't bad, just unfortunate that it didn't work, and I am happy I decided to take the risk and take another trade today, since this was a very clear trade. So yeah, I finally passed this combine, and I'm funded again after a lot of tries, and I'll start trading on it tomorrow, and hopefully can get my payout soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.